Welcome to 106 Vernon. This is an Ingleside, San Francisco State, one-bedroom apartment available for lease. As you can see, it has wood floors throughout the fairly spacious living room. There's a sliding door that leads to a nice patio and rear yard. And the kitchen has tiled counters, full-size stove with hood, dishwasher, garbage disposal, full-size refrigerator. There's a little pull-down table that you can fold up if you want to, and a nice amount of cabinets. I have an extra bank of cabinets over here. So a nice spacious kitchen. This is a pantry, coat closet, whatever you want to use it for. It's a little hallway area that leads to the bath. The bath has a vanity, some extra storage, and the shower. Linen closet. And the bedroom. This has a nice closet with mirrored doors. If you're interested in 106 Vernon, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.